Hello friends, now here is a step-by-step solution of this math problem by using the BODMAS rule. BODMAS rule says first we solve bracket, small bracket, curly bracket, then square bracket. O stand for how we convert into multiplication, we solve roots and exponents. D stands for division, M stands for multiplication, A stands for addition, S stands for subtraction. So according to this BODMAS sequence, we'll break it down this expression by the step-by-step solution. Now the first step, solve the innermost round brackets. Now in this case, there is a 7 plus 5, the small parenthesis. Now first we solve, according to this we get 12. According to this step, BODMAS requires solving the deepest brackets first. And now the current expression becomes 150 minus square bracket 8 multiplied by 12 square bracket of plus 6 power square. Move to the next step. According to the next step, solve the larger square brackets. Now multiply the digits. 8 multiplied by 12 will get 96. According to this step, brackets still remain the highest priority. And now the current expression becomes, moving to the next step, solve the orders, exponents. Now there is a 6 square calculated. 6 power square is equals to 6 multiplied by 6 equals to 36. According to this step, orders come right after the brackets. And now the current expression becomes 150 minus 96 and plus 36. According to the next step, perform the subtraction and addition from left to right. Now subtract the digits first. Now 150 minus 96 is equals to 54. And after 54 plus 36 will get 90. According to this step, addition and subtraction have the equal priority and must be proceed from left to right. That is the final result. According to this expression, by using the BODMAS sequence, the final simplified value of this expression is 90. And I hope it is clear. We'll meet in the next video. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. Bye-bye.